Today we're going to be discussing AMC and why it can be going higher this week. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please comment how many shares of AMC you are currently holding, because I want to get kind of a feeler for how many shares my followers are actually holding of AMC. And then also consider leaving a like and subscribe, as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys are interested in trading AMC on a different stock brokerage, or you want to just start investing today, or you just don't like your stock brokerage, any of those reasons, then go ahead and get signed up with WeBull. And you guys can get 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,850. Link is in the description. With all that out of the way, let's get into our stock for today, AMC. First of all, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the love you guys have been showing on our AMC videos. Our AMC videos have been blowing up as of recent, so thank you guys so much. But in today's video, we're going to be talking more about the technical analysis side of AMC. If you guys want to talk about some things that could be affecting AMC, such as like news, then you can go ahead and watch any of the last 3 or 4 videos we've made. They've all been on AMC, and we will be updating you guys on all of the news on AMC as the week progresses. But here we are. We're going to be talking about more of the technical analysis today. But first, let's cover our bases here. So here we are on shortsqueeze.com. This is going to be showing us the most up-to-date information that we have in terms of short interest, days to cover, and things of that nature. Obviously, this is not going to take into account naked short selling, because we don't even know if naked short selling is going on. A lot of people speculate that it is. A lot of people say that they know that it is. But at this point in time, we just don't know if there's naked short selling going on, or if there are any synthetic shares of AMC either, which would obviously make AMC's stock price go to the literal moon. But honestly, right now, a lot of speculation going on, but we can go over the data that we do have now. So here we are, shortsqueeze.com. Short interest, shares shorted right now, we have about 85 million according to the most up-to-date information that we have. Short interest ratio days to cover is about only 0.6 days, so that's very good. Short percent of float is only about 17%. So yeah, short percentage increase or decrease, it has decreased about 17%. So that is not very good, because people have started to cover, but we still have more shorts that still need to cover and buy back their shares. And if we take a look down here, from the 52-week high, we are down about 25%, but that's not too bad. From the 52-week low, we're up 2,600%. So overall, very good, month and year for AMC so far. Pretty much just this last month though. Alright, so here we are on Wall Street Bets trackers, and this is something I'm very interested in. Today is actually the most talked about that AMC has been since 6/22. So in the past 5 days, today is the most talked about AMC has been in a while. They've been talked about 20% of the time on Wall Street Bets, and I like to gauge, I don't know how you say that, gauge, whatever, where AMC is at by seeing how much it's being talked about in Wall Street Bets, because that's the main driver of retail interest in this stock is from Wall Street Bets. So they have been talking about them a lot throughout the weekend, and it's the most today because I think investors are excited to start trading AMC and investing in AMC come Monday. So that's super good, considering we were down about 4% yesterday. So here we go, and now we can check rankings. Obviously, AMC is not trending right now on StockTwits, but they are the most active. Stock in StockTwits, and then they are also the 7th highest new watchers in the last 24 hours. So basically, AMC already has a ton of watchers on StockTwits, so they're never going to be like number 1 for new watchers unless they go up like another 20 to 30%, and that's not out of the realm of possibilities. But AMC is, being 7th on the new watchers is good, because basically everyone is already watching AMC. As you can see here, there's 321,000 people that are watching AMC, compared to a different stock, say, if we look at the MMAT, they might have 2,800 new watchers, but they only have 9,000 total. So AMC has 321,000 total, so that's good. And now for the part of the video that you guys are all here for, the technical analysis. So obviously there was no news today that I could talk about. We've already talked about the most recent news, so I figured I could give you guys a technical analysis and things to watch for this week. So here we are on the 30-minute time frame. I'm on this because we're kind of looking at the outlook for the week. So I'll usually, if I'm trading or day trading or swing trading, I'll look at the 5-minute. But if I'm doing kind of like, you know, an overview of the week, or maybe looking a little bit further in advance, I will do the 30-minute time interval. So here we are. Over the past, I'd say about 2 weeks, we have been trading between about $50 and about $65. We have just been bouncing back up and back and forth between this amount, and we have 2 points of contact on this support line of $51. We have 2 points of contact on this resistance line of about $65. So what we need to be watching for this week is whether or not we can break above the resistance line or we can break below the support line, which would not be good. If we were to break below this support line of $51, then we could be getting all the way back, sadly, to the $41 mark. So basically, if AMC stock goes below this support line of $51, then we will sadly probably be going back to $41 before we can test the new resistance line, which would be this support line. But if we could start out the week strong and get above this resistance line of 65, we could be seeing all the way up to $72. That would be our next resistance line. So the most upside I can see for this week is going to be about 54, about 30% is the most upside I could see, because I don't see AMC getting above $72. That's going to be a major resistance line if we can break through this resistance at $65. I can see us breaking through that resistance and then getting held up here at about the $72 to $73 level. But it's all going to matter how the stock actually opens on Monday, which will be the day you're watching this at 9 a.m. So you're already going to be able to tell where the stock is at. Obviously, it's good to see that in after hours, AMC was starting to push up a little bit more, up about 0.30%, up to 54.22. If we look here, we are probably going to be, if we open in the green, trending back up on the MACD, and then we're sitting at a 40 RSI, which is nothing too crazy. Honestly, that's pretty good. And we're trending back up on the RSI as well. So honestly, we're looking good going into next week, but it's really going to matter where we open. If we open at about $55 for AMC, we could see a green day on Monday and therefore a green week. But we are just going to have to see if we're going to keep bouncing between $65 and $51, and we just have to see which one it's going to break first. Is it going to break through resistance? Is it going to break through support? If it breaks through resistance, we're looking good, bullish, everything. If it breaks through support, we're looking a bit bearish. But it's all going to matter what we open at tomorrow morning, which is going to be when you're seeing this video. So if we are up above $54, bullish. If we're below that, you know, let's just hope we stay above $51. But yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for today. If you guys have any questions about AMC, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. I'll be sure to answer everything that I can. And then also, if you guys could leave a like and subscribe, that'd be super awesome. If you guys want your 2 free stocks from WeBull, go ahead and get your 2 free stocks from WeBull with the first link in our description, or you can join our private Discord with the second link in our description. Thank you guys everyone for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.